What if you could sell cool products without stacking boxes in your house? That is what print on demand is all about. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Printify in a simple way, step by step. By the end, you'll know how the whole process works and how to launch your first product. Print on demand, or POD, is a smart way to sell online. You make a design, put it on a product, and only print it after someone buys it. That means less risk, less waste, and less stress. You do not need to buy a big pile of products first. Printify helps make POD easier. It connects your store to printing partners who make and ship the products for you. So instead of packing boxes all day, you can focus on your ideas, your designs, and your store. Let's look at the whole path from start to finish. First, you make an account. Then you connect your store, pick a niche, choose products, add your design, set your price, and publish. After that, Printify helps handle the order. The first step is easy. Make your account. This is like opening the door to your shop. Once your account is ready, you can start building products and linking your store. A strong start makes the rest much smoother. Next, connect your sales channel. That is just a fancy way to say where you sell your products, like an online shop. When your store and Printify are linked, they can talk to each other. That makes the whole process faster and simpler. Now comes one of the most important parts. Choose your niche. A niche is a small group of people you want to help. For example, that could be dog lovers, gamers, teachers, or campers. When you focus on one group, it is easier to make products they care about. Now it is time to browse the product catalog. This is where you pick what you want to sell. You can look at shirts, mugs, hats, bags, and more. The goal is to find products that fit your niche and your style. Before you sell, it is smart to order a sample. That means you buy one item for yourself first. Why? So you can check the print, the feel, and the quality. It is always better to see it for yourself before customers do. Now comes the fun part, design time. This is where your idea becomes real. You can make something funny, cool, cute, bold, or simple. A great design can make someone stop and say, "I want that." Next, use the Mockup Generator. A mockup shows what your product will look like in real life. It helps people picture the shirt, mug, or item before they buy it. Good mockups can make your product look much more exciting. Now let's set the price. This part matters a lot. You want a price that covers your cost and still gives you profit. Do not guess. Look at your numbers so you know what you are earning. Now build your product listing. This is the page people see when they shop. Add a clear title, a short description, and good images. Make it easy for shoppers to understand what they are buying. Once everything looks good, it is time to publish. This is the big moment. Your product goes live, and people can finally buy it. After all your work, this is where your store becomes real. Here is one of the best parts, auto-fulfillment. When a customer orders, the print partner gets the order right away. They make the item and ship it out for you. That means less work on your side and faster action for your store. This is why POD feels so hands-off. You do not need to print, pack, or mail the product yourself. That gives you more time to work on your store, your designs, and your growth. It is a simple system that can save you a lot of time. Now let's talk about scale. Scale means growing bigger without doing everything by hand. With POD, you can add more products without turning your life upside down. That is why many people like this business model. Of course, we all want profit. Profit is what is left after you pay your costs. The goal is to sell at a price that leaves room for money in your pocket. That is why pricing, product choice, and marketing all matter. Now let's get people to see your products. That is marketing. You can post on social media, share your designs, and talk to the people in your niche. Great marketing helps the right people find you. Content can help a lot too. Content means things like videos, posts, photos, and tips. When you share helpful or fun content, people start to trust you. And trust can lead to sales. Ads can help, but start small. Test a few ads before you spend a lot. See what people click on, what they like, and what they ignore. Small tests can save you big mistakes. When something works, do more of it. That is how you expand winners. If one design sells well, make more like it. If one product does well, try other products in the same style. You can also cross-sell. That means offering another product that goes well with the first one. If someone likes one item, they may like a matching item too. This can help you earn more from each customer. Let's talk about the timeline. You do not have to build everything in one day. Start with your account, then your first product, then your first listing. Step by step is the best way to go. Now here are some common mistakes to avoid. Do not rush your design. Do not skip the sample. And do not guess your price without checking your numbers. A little care now can save a lot of trouble later. You also need to track your numbers. Look at what sells, what gets clicks, and what makes money. Numbers help you make smart choices. When you know what works, you can do more of it. If you start making money, do not spend it all right away. Reinvest some of it back into your business. You can use it for better designs, better ads, or more products. That can help your store grow even faster. Print on demand can have strong income potential. But it is not magic. It takes good ideas, smart testing, and steady work. If you stay patient and keep learning, you can build something real. Let's recap. You learned what print on demand is, how Printify helps, and how to go from account to product to sale. You also learned how to market, test, and grow. Now you have a full picture of the process. Now it is your turn. Pick a niche, make one design, build one product, and take the first step today. The best time to start is right now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for new videos every week.